Imagine waking up and your website is outranking industry giants, bringing in a flood of high-quality leads while you sleep. This isn't just a pipe dream, it's the power of mastering SEO, and I'm about to show you exactly how to do it. In this SEO full course, beginner to advanced, you're going to learn the fundamentals of SEO, what it really is, and why it's absolutely necessary for your online success. The inner workings of Google's algorithm. I'm going to break down what it's actually looking for when ranking websites. Actionable strategies to build and optimize websites that naturally attract traffic from Google. Now, whether you're just starting out or you're looking to take your SEO skills to the next level, this comprehensive SEO full course has got you covered. So let's go ahead and dive in. You can think of SEO as a 24/7 tireless salesperson. It's constantly working behind the scenes, showcasing your business to potential customers even while you sleep. But this isn't just any salesperson, it's also the most trusted and influential one around. When your website ranks highly on Google, it's like having your product displayed in the most prominent spot in the store. But it's actually even better than that. It's as if this prominent display automatically comes with a stamp of approval from the most respected critic in the industry. Google has become a respected critic. When its users, people who are searching on Google, see a website ranking at the top of Google search, they automatically assign that website more trust and more credibility. It's like Google is saying, we've evaluated all the options and we believe this one is the best. It's hard to overstate how incredibly powerful this invisible trust factor is. It means that your SEO efforts aren't just about being seen, they're also about being perceived as a credible, trustworthy expert in your field. Your invisible salesperson isn't just attracting potential customers, it's also building trust and credibility with them before they even click on your website. So I want to start with a very brief overview of SEO and how it's gotten to where we are. Now, SEO predates Google search, but of course now it primarily focuses on Google because Google controls like 93% of the search market. Now, Google's core philosophy is all about trustworthiness and user satisfaction. Their algorithm is essentially complex mathematics. There's not Google employees reading your websites, it's all machine learning, algorithms, and math. Now, Google analyzes content through word patterns, through word usage, relative to other websites that are already ranking and serving its users well. Google also watches how users engage with websites to influence rankings. But here's the catch. That only works if you already have users engaging with your website. Speaking of users seeing your website, there's an old joke in SEO. Where's the best place to hide a dead body? The second page of Google search. It's funny, but it's also painfully true. If you're not on the first page, you might as well be invisible. That means that SEO is a zero-sum game. Either you're on the first page getting traffic, or you're not on the first page and just wasting your time and resources. So the million-dollar question, how do you get to the first page where users can actually find you? So to answer that, we need to dissect Google's ranking algorithm and understand a little bit about what makes it work. So first up, something called backlinks. These are like votes of trust that Google can see. A backlink is simply one website linking to another website. This came about because of academic paper citations. More prestigious papers have more citations. Google's founders created a $2 trillion company using that simple concept. High quality, trusted websites don't link to low-quality spam. Therefore, links from trusted sources can be used as a measure of quality. So let's take a step back and break down a step-by-step SEO strategy. Number one, create a topical map to ensure Google sees your site as comprehensive and authoritative. This is going to involve mapping out all of the relevant subtopics related to your main focus. It's like creating a web of content that showcases your expertise in every aspect of your field. Number two, keyword research and understanding user intent. Once you have your topical map, you'll want to find the right keywords for each subtopic. Number three, content creation aligned with search intent. Use your keyword research to create content that directly addresses what users are looking for. Number four, on-page optimization. This includes optimizing your title tags, meta descriptions, headers, and content structure. Number 5, link building. Remember those votes of trust we talked about earlier? This is where you're going to work on getting them. Number 6, creating supporting content. This ties back to your topical map, helping to reinforce your authority in your niche. And number 7, monitoring and improving user engagement. Keep an eye on how users interact with your site and continually refine your approach based on this data. If you see that people are bouncing immediately, you probably need some improved content or site layout. So remember, SEO requires continuous learning and adaptation. What works today might not work tomorrow, so make sure you always stay informed about the latest trends and algorithm updates. I also want to touch on some technical SEO aspects. You will need to focus on site speed, mobile friendliness, site structure, navigation, and HTTPS security. These factors all contribute to your overall SEO performance, but they only really need to be done once and taken care of. These can all be addressed in WordPress with a plugin like Rank Math or a variety of other ones. If you're not familiar with these terms, you don't know what I'm talking about, you don't know how your website platform works, I would suggest that you post a job on a platform like Upwork and find a developer who can help you with these on-site technical fixes. That's not going to be my focus here because I don't focus on that. I have a developer. For businesses targeting specific geographic areas, local SEO is key. This includes optimizing your Google business profile, managing your local citations, and of course, gathering reviews. But there's more to it than just that. You're going to want to pepper your content with hyperlocal geographic references. We're talking neighborhoods, local landmarks, local events, even weather patterns. Basically anything that a local resident would know, but someone who's not a local resident wouldn't. So for example, if you are a plumber in Houston, you don't just want to talk about Houston on your website. You're going to want to talk about specific neighborhoods, the Heights or Montrose, reference local events like the Houston Livestock Show and Rodeo. It's the largest rodeo in the world. Mention how your services can help during the humid summers or during occasional flooding. These hyperlocal references not only help with SEO, but they're also going to help establish geographic relevance with Google and build trust with your local audience. So now that you have a solid grasp on these SEO fundamentals and some advanced techniques, you might be wondering, what's next? How can I take my SEO game to the next level? Well, the future of SEO is already here, and it's powered by artificial intelligence. AI is changing how we approach SEO, from content creation to keyword research and even predictive analytics. Mastering AI-driven SEO techniques is going to give you a significant edge over your competition, whether you're building your own online business or serving clients. And if you're not using AI at all, frankly, you're going to be left behind. This next video is an exact breakdown of how to integrate AI into SEO, including some prompts that my agency currently uses and how to engineer your own prompts. Take this next step and learn how to supercharge your efforts with AI. I'll give you the structure and prompts for each of the steps necessary for a successful SEO strategy driven by AI.